Welcome to the vibrant world of mini crafting. Here, creativity knows no bounds, and every small project has the potential to make a big impact. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this journey offers endless opportunities to explore your artistic talents. Mini crafting allows you to create unique decorative items that enhance your living space while also providing avenues for income. The beauty of this craft lies in its versatility. You can experiment with various materials and techniques to produce one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your personal style. In today's fast-paced world, the desire for personalized and meaningful decor is on the rise. Mini crafting caters to this need by enabling individuals to create items that resonate with their personal experiences and aesthetics. From handmade candles to intricately designed wooden decor, mini crafts not only beautify spaces, but also tell a story. As more people turn to handmade goods for their homes, the market for unique, crafted items is expanding. This provides an exciting opportunity for crafters to turn their hobbies into profitable ventures while fostering a deeper connection to their craft and community. In this exploration, we will delve into various crafting techniques, sustainable practices, and the potential for both personal fulfillment and business growth within the realm of mini crafting. If you're enjoying our content and want to keep up with the latest updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By clicking that subscribe button, you'll be joining a community of fellow craft enthusiasts eager to explore the world of mini crafting together. Don't forget to like this video. It helps us know what you love and motivates us to create even more inspiring content. Share this video with your friends and family so they can join in on the crafting fun, too. And remember, stay with us until the end for some exciting bonus tips and ideas that will elevate your crafting game. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to craft with you. Mini crafting encompasses a wide array of creative projects that focus on smaller scale items, perfect for home decor and potential commercial sale. This craft form allows individuals to explore their artistic inclinations while producing unique pieces that reflect personal style. The accessibility of mini crafting makes it appealing to a broad audience, from hobbyists to aspiring entrepreneurs. As people seek personalized decor options, the demand for handcrafted items continues to grow, creating a vibrant marketplace. Crafting techniques. Crafting techniques are the foundation of any mini crafting project. Techniques such as painting, sewing, and assembling can be combined to create one-of-a-kind items. For example, a crafter might paint a wooden surface, sew decorative fabric elements, and assemble them into a cohesive piece. Mastering various techniques not only enhances the quality of the craft produced, but also opens up a world of creative possibilities. Experimentation is encouraged, as it can lead to innovative designs that stand out in the marketplace. Woodworking basics. Woodworking is a classic crafting technique that can produce stunning mini items. By utilizing small pieces of wood, crafters can create a variety of decorative objects, such as small shelves, picture frames, or even intricate carvings. The tactile nature of wood allows for a variety of finishes, from natural stains to vibrant paints. Understanding basic woodworking skills, such as cutting, sanding, and joining, can empower crafters to produce durable and aesthetically pleasing items that resonate with customers looking for quality and craftsmanship. Crafting for decor. Creating decorative items for the home involves marrying functionality with aesthetic appeal. Items like wall hangings, centerpieces, and decorative boxes not only serve as visual focal points, but also enhance the overall ambience of a space. When crafting for decor, it's important to consider current design trends, color palettes, and materials that align with the intended atmosphere. Unique, Handmade decor items can evoke emotion and set a welcoming tone in any home, making them highly desirable for both personal use and sale. Sales opportunities. Selling crafted items opens a pathway for crafters to share their creations with a wider audience. Online platforms such as Etsy and social media marketplaces provide accessible venues for showcasing and selling handmade goods. Craft fairs and local markets also present opportunities for face-to-face interactions with potential customers. Establishing a brand identity. Engaging storytelling about the crafting process and presenting items attractively can help crafters stand out in a competitive marketplace, leading to successful sales. Craft items for business centers. In business environments, unique decor items can enhance professional spaces. Customized desk organizers, motivational quote frames, and small plants in decorative pots add personality to otherwise sterile office settings. Crafting items tailored for business centers can also include practical tools that improve efficiency, such as stylish file organizers or pen holders. By offering functional yet decorative pieces, crafters can tap into the corporate gifting market, providing businesses with options for employee appreciation or client gifts. Home uses for mini crafts. Beyond decoration, mini crafts can serve practical purposes within the home. Functional items like storage solutions, kitchen accessories, or organization tools can be crafted to enhance everyday life. For instance, a series of small, labeled jars can help organize spices or craft supplies, while decorative trays can serve as catch-alls for keys and mail. Crafting practical items allows crafters to address everyday needs while showcasing their creativity, making these products appealing to a wide audience. Recreational centers and crafting. Recreational centers can benefit significantly from many crafting initiatives. Workshops and crafting classes can engage community members, providing a space for creativity and skill development. These activities not only promote crafting skills, but also encourage social interaction and collaboration among participants. By hosting crafting events, recreational centers can create a supportive community environment, helping individuals connect through shared interests and potentially inspiring them to pursue crafting as a hobby or business. Crafting for gifts. Handmade gifts carry a personal touch that mass-produced items often lack. Many crafts, such as personalized keychains, custom ornaments, or thoughtfully designed greeting cards, make for memorable gifts. The effort and creativity involved in crafting these items reflect the giver's affection and thoughtfulness. Crafters can also offer customizations based on recipients' preferences, enhancing the emotional value of the gifts. This aspect of crafting not only appeals to the gift-giving market, but also allows for greater connection between the creator and the recipient. In conclusion, mini crafting offers a rich tapestry of opportunities for creating decorative items that enhance home decor and provide avenues for sale. By embracing various crafting techniques and focusing on sustainability, individuals can transform their passion for crafting into a fulfilling and profitable venture. The journey of crafting not only nurtures creativity, but also connects individuals to their communities and contributes positively to their livelihoods and the environment. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights in the world of mini crafting. Your support is incredibly important to us, so if you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more creative content. Don't forget to like this video, as it helps us understand what resonates with you and encourages us to keep producing engaging material. Sharing this video with your friends and family also makes a big difference, allowing them to join our crafting community. We appreciate you being here, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting projects and ideas in the future.